Guys.
Hello guys, good
Wait.
evening.
Wait.
This is
Where is it?
Dubai Chewy cookie.
It's not a cookie, it's a mochi.
It's a mochi, yes.
Yeah.
We're going to try it. The trending Dubai Chewy. Going to open it. Hi everyone, say hi. Hi, kita yung ano natin. Open it.
Okay.
This one. Here.
Open sesame.
Okay.
Open pie. Open. What one are you gonna eat? I'm gonna eat the middle one.
Yeah, okay. Try it first.
We try it at the same time. We try it at the same time. In the count of 3.
Now,
Take a bite.
Let's, ano muna, open it. Let's open it. Oh, it's a bit strong kasi. Nilagyan na natin sa ref. Pero kanina, ano siya?
Wait lang, 3,
2, 1.
Take a bite.
Cheers! Cheers!
Oh,
How is it?
bossing.
Bitter?
The coke is kind of bitter,
Yeah.
but the pistachio instantly heals
The bitterness. Yeah.
What? Do you want to try? Yeah.
That's nice.
Too sweet.
Mm.
I guess he liked it, but it's too
Nice.
sweet for him.
Nabalance na yung bitterness ng kokwa. Nabalance na sa inside, no?
Mm.
Yummy? Dali sa malo.
Oh, sorry.
Sorry. Sorry. Try it.
Guys, I know how they make it.
Sa malos.
Plus, I think we could recreate this.
Wow!
I think we could recreate this. Coco.
Yummy? Yummy!
Yeah,
Sorry,
this is choco dough
sorry, sorry.
with cocoa,
Yum, yum. Sorry.
pistachios, and
Sorry.
what?
Yum!
Oh, there's the crispy thing in here again. Katawata?
Kopa.
Bah.
Pistachio
buy?
cream.
We can buy it. I know the
Yummy!
ingredients of this.
Kunafa with pistachio cream.
I literally know how to make this.
Then they melted the mallows with butters. Bye guys! Nice! Try it na! Try it!
I recommend making it.
Yeah.
Frosty approved.